What's up, YouTube? This is gonna be a quick video on some symptoms of a bad thermostat. I'm gonna show y'all in the next little clip that I got. I was out riding last night and my temp gauge had went over the half mark, and I pulled over and I had, you know, coolant leaking from under the car, and it was like bubbling. And so I had bought a new thermostat for the Avenger from Raleigh Parts. But yeah, I got a new thermostat because the reason why that happened was because my thermostat went bad and it stayed shut. And whenever the thermostat is not open, allowing the coolant to exit the reservoir to flow out, it boils out and it leaks from under the car. So it won't get to the engine and stuff like that. But I'm gonna show y'all the video of what happened. But I'm not gonna do it today because I'm gonna have to take the hose off. But I'll show y'all under the hood. I had to take the hose off, and it's going to leak everywhere, and I don't want coolant to leak all over the concrete. You know, I stay in an apartment complex, and they kind of strict with that kind of stuff, so I'm gonna have to go to my buddy's house and get it done. But I'm about to show y'all. Let me pop the hood. Oh, this hood is heavy. So as y'all can see, like down here, see right there with the bolt on it. That's where it's at. As you kind of see, it's kind of wet down there. So last night it was leaking, but I'm about to show y'all a clip on the symptoms of a bad thermostat. Do not ignore that, you know what I'm saying? Because it's an easy, simple, quick fix, but it can cost you way more money if you ignore it, you know? Do not ignore symptoms of the car. Think of your car as you know what I'm saying? Well, something is wrong with you, and you're not feeling well, you go to the doctor, you know? If you don't want to go to the shop, then try to do it yourself. But you know, take care of your vehicle, because your vehicle takes care of you by getting you to where you need to be. But I'm about to show you this clip on how I was last night. My car bubbling, it was kind of dark, and man, it wasn't a good time for me. But yeah, it's just a little aftermarket one. It'll still fit. But yeah, y'all, take care. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you didn't, because I got a cold air intake coming for this Avenger, and I got another surprise coming, but I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is. I guarantee you my sub's gonna jump when y'all see what's coming next. But y'all, just stay tuned. Please subscribe. Even the ones that don't subscribe and watch, I appreciate you for watching anyway. But thank y'all. Oh my goodness. Waiting here from the coolant all over there. All under the car. Over here is wet too, it's dripping.